Hello.
Hey, Dr. Morgan, what's up?
Hey, girl. Well, I planned this whole brunch and invited all of my friends over, and now I'm regretting it. It is way too hot to turn my oven on.
That sounds like the perfect occasion for homemade lox.
Smoked salmon?
Well, yes, what we normally call smoked salmon is actually cured.
Cured? Oh, has it been sick?
Doctor jokes.
But isn't curing your own salmon difficult?
No, it's actually really easy. It just takes a little time. You have to start the curing process the night before your brunch.
Oh, well, I guess I'm out of luck.
No, fine. Fine, you can have my sandwich.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Today, I want to share my recipe for homemade lox with you. It's the perfect addition to any summer brunch, and it is so easy. Here's what you'll need. A 2 to 2.5 pound fresh center cut of Atlantic salmon with the skin on and the pin bones removed. 3 cups of kosher salt and 3 cups of granulated sugar, soy sauce, the zest of 1 lemon, garlic powder, ground cumin, and dried dill. The first step is giving your salmon a rinse with cool water and then patting it dry. In a large bowl, combine the salt and sugar. Grab a shallow dish and put about 1/3 of the salt and sugar mixture into the bottom, then lay the salmon on top. Then coat the surface of the salmon with a little bit of soy sauce. Sprinkle with the zest of a lemon. Then apply a liberal layer of dried dill, some ground cumin, and garlic powder. Give your salt and sugar another good mix, and then pour the rest of it over the top of the salmon until you can't see the fish anymore. Cover with a flat plate or dish that is larger than the salmon but smaller than the dish. Then put something heavy on top. Within reason, add as much weight as you can. Doesn't everyone have a gallon of soy sauce? Chill in the fridge just like this for 12 to 16 hours. I normally pull mine at about 14 and it's perfect. Gently rinse the salmon with cool water and pat it dry. Use a long, sharp knife to shave off thin slices of the salmon, then pile it high on top of a toasted bagel with cream cheese, dill, and a little bit of lemon. Or make a crostini for an elegant presentation. Enjoy. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.